Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how I used AI to exploit X, aka Twitter, to generate over 500,000 views to any link I want, and how the same AI model turned those views into nice paydays for me like this and this. You see, a few months ago, Elon Musk took over Twitter and rebranded it into X. But that's not all he did. Most importantly, he started to integrate AI into everything in the platform. He created what's called a recommendation algorithm, which basically is a way for X to determine which tweets and which accounts get exposure to their massive user base. We're talking billions here. Do you see where this is going? We managed to create an AI model that exploits this algorithm and forces X to recommend any link we post to over 500,000 targeted leads every single day without us paying even a penny in ads, without waiting days for results, and without even writing a single word. This is the power of AI, my friend. It's what allows us to exploit X and generate hundreds of dollars every single day for free and in less than 60 seconds. Take a look at this. Just the past 7 days, we made $8,234.22 in pure profit, just by forcing X to recommend any link we want to a super targeted leads every day. It can be a link to anything legal, of course. It can be a link to our own products, affiliate products, high-ticket products, e-com, coaching, books, blogs, or anything really. It doesn't matter. Again, all of that without us doing anything. We just lay back, keep refreshing our accounts, and watch the money rolling in. NEXA also comes with DFY monetization that pays us every time we post a link without even selling anything. NEXA works in every niche. So no matter what you're doing online, NEXA will work for you. It works for affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, product owners, bloggers, influencers, local business owners, even if you are a book writer. Hey, My name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, I'd like to introduce you to NEXA, the world's first app that exploits X's new recommendation algorithm, allowing us to generate 500,000 views to any link we want for free. Let me show you how easy it is to use NEXA. Step 1. Log in. Click on any of the links on this page and get instant access to NEXA. Step 2. Connect. Connect your X account to our safe and secure servers. It can be a new account with 0 followers. It doesn't matter. Step 3. Deploy. Let NEXA get to work and start putting your links in front of hundreds of thousands of hungry buyers. Step 4. Profit. Every time we post with NEXA, we make money like this. It doesn't matter what kind of experience you have. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this going to cost me? If we decide to charge you a fair price for NEXA, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing. $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating NEXA is to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to NEXA for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running NEXA. But you must be quick. There's no point in selling NEXA if it doesn't produce the results we promise. And in order to do that, we put a lot of support for each new member. The good news is, we take each new member by the hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too. So after we hit our limit, we are raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use NEXA for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, you get to keep your copy of NEXA in case you ever change your mind and want to give it another go. Worst case scenario, you get NEXA and don't make any money. You get every penny you paid refunded within 24 hours. Click the button below and get instant access to NEXA, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.